This video is for secant-tangent sides. Now, when we have a secant-tangent scenario, there's only one place that the vertex can be, and that's vertex out. All right, so how we're going to work with this secant-secant sides is very similar to how we worked with the secant-secant sides. All right, so let me draw a little sketch here. So let's say that we have a secant. And let's say we have a tangent. Now that's supposed to just hit the circle there in one spot. Okay. If we have oh man, that's a bad line. But you guys, I think, will get the idea. If we have a secant tangent, we have the vertex out. We are talking about sides of the angle. So on the secant, we know to measure 2A and measure to the other side, B. On the tangent line, we're going to measure to the circle. We're going to call that C, but it only touches the circle in this one spot. So we're going to have to take that C and multiply it times itself. So it's still the same idea. Measure 2. Measure to the other side, measure 2, measure to the other side. All right? For the secant, A times B. For the tangent, C times itself. So let's take a look here at our first picture. All right, I have a secant-tangent relationship. I know that this tells me to measure 8, measure 2, and then measure to the other side. Remember, that's going to be 8 plus x. Now on the tangent, we're going to measure 2, and it only goes once, so we're going to just simply square that or multiply it times itself. That gives me 64 plus 8x is equal to 144. Subtract 64, 8x is equal to 80, and divide by 8, x is equal to 10. So hopefully you're seeing how it's just like what we were doing with secant-secant sides. Secant-tangent sides, you set up the equation. Again, that's the whole key. Just make sure that you double up that tangent side. So let's try one more. Secant-tangent, we're going to measure to the circle from the vertex to the other side of the circle. So that would be 9 plus x. And that has to equal on the tangent to the circle, 15. And to the circle again, 15. So this gives me 81 plus 9x is equal to 225. All right, if I take 225 minus, what was that? I think it was 81. I get 144. So 9x is equal to 144. And if I divide that by 9, I get x is equal to 16. Let me know if you have any questions. Good luck to you.